How to fix Snapchat camera quality on Android. So if the quality from the Snapchat's camera is quite bad, right, compared to your default camera app. So first of all, check if your default camera app quality is good, because sometimes there could be any sort of dust or debris or scratches on your camera lenses. That is why the quality could be quite bad in the first place. So if it is clear from the camera app but not from the Snapchat app, then there are a couple of things we can do. Once you launch Snapchat, simply go to your Bitmoji profile from the top left, followed by the gear icon from the top right hand side. And you want to simply scroll down and you'll find an option that says clear cache. So under privacy controls, tap on clear cache over here, then tap on the continue button. Then when you've done that, you should be able to clear the cache files. If this doesn't help, you can try to uninstall and reinstall the Snapchat app completely. And you can also try to use other applications. So let's say the quality for the Instagram is also quite bad or anything like that. So you can try to check the quality from other applications as well, relative to only Snapchat. And this way you can hopefully solve a Snapchat camera quality on your Android phone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.